miniature wooden box in 1/12 of the scale, made out of 3 different woods. This wood plus this wood on the decoration is beech wood. The inside beam supports are quality pine wood plank beams that I use, and of course popsicle sticks that are bamboo sticks. So these one are popsicle sticks I acquire from the beech wood ones from the factory that I currently work in the Netherlands. It's an ice cream factory, and I save these popsicle sticks from throwing, because this factory, during the producing process of the making of the ice cream, they throw a lot of these, like hundreds of sticks per day, that sometimes fall on the ground, which is of course very clean ground in this factory for ice cream. But when they fall on the ground, they cannot be washed or used for making the ice cream, so they throw them away. Sometimes this happens when we change the boxes of the popsicle sticks on the machine. A lot of them just fall down and we throw them. So I save this, and this is great material because this beech wood is fine, very fine, with a very smooth surface. Here on this one, another box, you can see a little bit darker color, which I love so much, these darker colors. Recently I started gathering more of the darker color, and well, yeah, this is my square box, not square, this is my rectangular box. The square box you can see in my previous videos, so this is the rectangular one, for which one I used 4 beams to be supported inside. Also you have these things that fix the cap, not to move around a lot, which is great because it's more stable, the cap, else the cap will be moving a lot. Well, I hope you like this box, and please give me a follow if you like the crafts and the boxes I make. And of course, please comment below on this video what would you like to see this box colored, in what color should I color this. Please give me your feedback and your suggestions. What color can I paint this in, like in white, black, gray, blue, turquoise, whatever color. The most colors that you comment, I will paint this box in. And of course, I'm gonna show the colored one in another video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by my account. See you next time.